Welcome, welcome. Yeah, I was listening to a video where Andrea Stephen come out and was addressing bloggers or vloggers or whatever about all the negative things that's going on TikTok and on the social media and all. Yeah, so in come out and he was talking about all people, the negativity and all them come out and then cuss out people and have to tell them which part and this part because so can support and all people like them kind of thing there. People like feed on the negative things, yes. And so it was talking about the things them, yeah. And then it talk about toxic, how it's so toxic on the media, social and toxicity. So me go look for the place called toxicity. Me couldn't find it. So me find one little place. And me hear one cussing and one talking and going and cause I me say me can't see them over the fence after late. So I me sit down some round so around the curb here, around the bend, and the person was cussing, and when we listen to it good, it's the woman there, over the fence, Michelle, she always go up on Lor Lor platform, go cuss and go along with herself. Yeah, so she was cussing out the man of England and so on, let's sing. And I listen, and I'm thinking, this behavior is so wrong, yes, and this is the typical example of what Andrea Stevens was talking about. This lady says she's a journalist, yes. She's some kind of list anyway. She's a journalist or whatever list, and she used to do politics or politics or whatever ticks, do. The only thing me think she's a tick span cow. And that me that call her ticks. Ticks them was tick pan cow. Because she cuss and she behave badly, and I'm thinking this is so wrong. You say you is a woman. I think one of the time she go on like she's a woman of God, but when I hear she talk nothing about God no more. So I don't know. I really don't know. But these big grown ass people, they set no example for the young people then. So when young people behave is like that, how can you tell young people to stop? Yeah. How can you tell young people to stop if you're gonna behave in such a manner? Yeah. So, and then I don't understand Lor Lor because this woman's not using her own platform because she got no. And if I feel say she on Facebook, but she don't use her platform for cuss and do certain things upon Lor Lor platform. She go do whatever she's doing. So she sent out serious warning for the man at England. So yeah. I don't know. Lor Lor needs to think that if anything, it's gonna be a she, it's gonna fall back on, yes. And these people are there to boost you up, yeah. But when the claps come, them a go run left you in the mess, yes. And that me I go say, no example. Not at all. Yeah, me see all the lovely little Miss Lotian come out of our kitchen fi try fi give some advice as well, yes. And she, yes, very me like to listen to her too, yes. So the two of them, Miss Lotian and Andrea Stevens come out here and talk up the things them, yes. But I don't get it anyway why these people think say their behavior is cool, yes. And then can come out and say anything they want to say about people and it should be acceptable. No, I don't get it. Anyway, that's that me come to put me two little penny in and me find man don't talk and she gone.